This is a Panasonic AM/FM tabletop radio. Kind of a clear lucite front to it. And I've completely disassembled it. Cleaned out all the old dust. Cleaned all the potentiometers with some deoxit and checked all the electrolytic capacitors. Make sure there's none leaking or about to fail. This is the model RE-6513 and it works just great.
County and things like that that may cause people some questions.
Yeah, and of course.
Dang right there, flipping your ear.
It just so happens that
Tuesday, Buffalo Cheer, presented by Guy. It's the best party anywhere.
Whether you're a runner, a drummer, or a plumber, we have the perfect vehicle for your...
Sinners yet for a free tap beer.
Ladies, you're like, what is going on here?
That's
He's holding out.
George.
Unneeded items that are done.
the wrong way, but
Gray Shadow Interior. Theater package and main speaker.
Y desde cualquier parte del mundo.
Greetings and welcome back, Rush Limbaugh. Brand new broadcast excellence day. 3 hours.
Chevrolet Buick.
Summer vehicles for